How to turn off TikTok captions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn off TikTok captions. So, first of all, what you're going to do is go into the Play Store or the App Store, whichever operating system you're using, to look for the TikTok app that if it's updated or not. If it's updated, that's good. If it's not, just update it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the application. So let's get back to the game. First of all, you're going to open up the TikTok app. Before moving any further ahead, I want you to know that some of the updates they hold this caption technique or the caption thing, others they don't. So some of this have the feature of this caption and some don't. So for example, I don't have the caption right now, but you can do, or you can turn off the captions by going into the profile. Once this page appears, by tapping on the right corner that is below. So now this kind of screen appears up, in which you're going to go into the interface icon that is at the top right corner of the screen. Once you get there, you go there, there is a dialog box that appears below the screen. So you just have to tap on the settings and privacy. This new page appears in the settings and privacy. In this page, you're just gonna go and scroll down till the very last until you find accessibility. That would be in the content and activity bar. So once you tap on that, you see there's that animated thumbnail, and just below that there would be an option for turn off captions. I do not have that version in which there are captions, so you'll turn it off just like I'll turn it off the animated thumbnails. So this would eventually result in turning off for the TikTok captions. So this is how you do it. This is how you turn off the TikTok captions. I hope this video was informative and help you in some way or another, and if you still don't get anything, just comment down below. I've left to answer, and you don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.